In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com effectively in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a versatile work operating system that allows teams to run projects and workflows with confidence. It's designed for any team in any industry to help streamline processes and increase productivity. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started on this powerful platform. First, navigate to monday.com in your web browser. This is where you'll get access to the platform's features. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Look for the login option on the homepage and click on it. Signing in is straightforward, especially if you choose to log in through Google. If you have a Google account, click on the Google button and select the account you wish to use. This integration makes it seamless to access monday.com and keeps all your work centralized. After successfully logging in, you'll find a left panel on your dashboard. This panel is key to navigating through the platform. To start organizing your projects, click on the plus icon located in this panel. Here, you'll see an option to add a board. Think of a board as a blank canvas where you can manage all our projects, tasks, and the related data. Click on the board option to create one. Now, it's time to give your board a unique identity. Type in a distinctive name that represents what the board will be used for. Naming your boards clearly helps in keeping track of different projects and accessing them quickly when needed. Once you're satisfied with the name, hit Create Board to finalize. Next, let's enhance your board by organizing tasks or projects into items. Look for the Item drop-down menu where you can create sub-items if necessary. Within each item, you have the ability to assign team members, set deadlines, and update statuses. This is incredibly useful for ensuring that everyone is accountable for their tasks and that deadlines are met. A great feature of monday.com is the customizable columns. Want to keep track of additional project details? Simply add a new column that suits your requirements, such as tracking priorities or deadlines. To visualize your workflow better, you can create a new view from the top header. Click on the plus icon and choose from options like table, Gantt, chart, calendar, or Kanban views. Each view offers a different perspective on your projects, whether you prefer a detailed timeline or a simple checklist. Finally, whenever you need to add a new task or data point, just click on the New Item button to include it in your group. Also, if you need to locate something specific quickly, use the search function, filters, or grouping options to look things up efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering monday.com and optimizing your team's productivity. Stay organized, stay productive, and enjoy all that monday.com has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.